So today we're going to be talking about the Proflame 2 0.584040 remote. Now the 040 remote has all the features enabled. These features include the CPI, IPI mode, which a lot of customers will ask about the snowflake. The snowflake is this little piece here. So to determine if you have a CPI or an IPI, you can just simply turn the bottom mode button on, and then you'll see the snowflake that people ask about. Also here, you can check your thermostat to find out if you're in Fahrenheit or if you're in Celsius. So simply press the thermostat mode button and the bottom mode button, and you can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And then simply pressing the bottom mode button is going to tell you if you're in your IPI, intermittent pilot, or a CPI, which is continuous pilot. At this point now, we can go ahead and turn it off, and we'll go into the sequences of finding what features aren't enabled. With the 040, it comes fully enabled with all the features turned on, including the IPI and CPI mode, which won't, you can see here, the little snowflake people call it, that's enabled already. So we're going to look through all of our features. We have the flame height, we have the fan, we have the accent lighting, we have the split flow, and we have an auxiliary outlet, which is available on some CPI units. Now what we're going to do, we're going to say we want to turn some of these features off. By turning features off, we're simply going to turn the unit over, remove the back cover, take one of the batteries. I usually use the top one. I slide that battery out, not completely out, just a little ways out, so that I no longer have power. Once you do this, hold the top power button, the bottom mode button with your finger, snap the battery in, and now you'll see it says see these features. Take your thumb off the bottom button while keeping your thumb on the top power button, and then you can scroll through these and you can see which ones you want to turn on and off. So if we want to turn the flame off, we're going to hit the arrow down button, it'll clear that feature. Fan off, arrow down button, it clears that feature. Each one you go through, you can clear the feature all the way across, including the IPI, CPI mode if you want, or you can add features if your current remote doesn't have them turned on or enabled. You can go through and do that. Once you do that, you're going to see they all say C, and you can see them all. This one we want to see. Let go. And now turn the unit off. Turn it back on. The flame, you can see you can adjust the flame. You can go to the next mode, which is fan. You can turn the fan on. Go to the next mode. You can turn your lights on or off. These have dimmer ability. Split flow is basically your on-off for your rear flames. Auxiliary is going to be an on-off, and your CPI is the next one that you'll go to, but it's already enabled.